Hi, this is Lady Nefertiti BK, and wanted to come on here right quick. I guess I start like that every time, don't I? Want to come on here right quick. But anyway, I just got my package, and I just received my Dalva, if I'm saying it, Dalva, maybe it's Dalva, Ultima Collagen Protein Hair Pre-Loop, easy to install crochet braid in deep twist, 14 inches in the color 1, and it says style just like human hair. I just wanted to try it out. I got 2 of these. I don't like very full hair, and I plan on taking each loop and making them small and you know, installing. I know most people try like 5 and 6 and 7 packs, but I just wanted to just try it this way and see. And oh, and this is not the Zuri Gogo Curl. I took that out. It didn't last as long as I thought it would. It was very pretty. The hair is gorgeous, and the curls was gorgeous, but I will do an update on that in another video. Anyway, I'm getting ready to install this. So, showing you, and this is number 1. Alright. Style just like here, and this is how the back looks. Okay, so, oh, let me show you the texture of the hair. I should at least do that, right? Okay, so take it out of here. And this is how it looks like that. Now, the hair is very shiny. I don't know if it'll still look that shiny when I put it on, when I separate it and put it on. I don't know. But the hair is very soft. It is soft, and it looks shiny. So I will be trying that. And it has the pre-loops here. Now, a lot of people had said different things about Ebony Line. I've never bought from Ebony Line before, so there's nothing I can say about them, but I happened to Google this to see if anyone else sold it. I do believe this is exclusive to Ebony Line, but it showed up on Amazon, and so I went to Amazon and I was looking at the seller, and for the seller it said Ebony Line. So I went ahead and I ordered it because I do trust the shipping and getting stuff in time from Amazon. I do have Amazon Prime. So I went ahead and I ordered this, you know, and since it said Ebony Line and I know it's supposed to be exclusive to them, I said, well, maybe they're selling on Amazon as well. And I did that, and I kid you not, I got this in about 3 days. 3 days. So am I one of those people that can complain? Nah, I don't think so. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and install this, and then I will come back after it has been installed. Okay? Be back. Bye-bye. Hi, this is Lady Nefertiti BK. Oh, that's right, I'm continuing this video, right? Anyway, I went ahead and I put the hair in. So I have crocheted the hair in. And so you can see how it looks from the side, back side, the other side. Okay, and I did the invisible knots in the front. Invisible knots in the front. Okay, now the reason why it looks kind of short is because now the hair itself is wavy. I wanted curls. So that's why the picture I show at the beginning of this video is exactly how the hair looked before I did anything to it. Okay, so let me take the hair out so you can see. Because I didn't even take the hair. I don't think I took the hair out the pack in the beginning of the video either, so I'm going to do that now. Oh, excuse me. Okay. So this is how it looks. is how the hair looks, like so. And it has the loops at the very beginning. Okay. Now what I did, you're not going to believe it. You're just not going to believe it. I have allergies this morning. I'm so sorry. I only used 2 packs. I know a lot of people used, I think 4, 5, maybe 6 packs. I only used 2. I didn't want it to get too full. What I did was I took the hair apart. From here, I just opened it, did it like this, and the rubber band goes all the way down and off, and then I just started sectioning the hair and just took my time and just applied the hair all over my head. You would not believe this is, and this isn't even a full 2 packs. I still have hair left. Let me see. Now someone that likes real big hair definitely wouldn't just get 2 packs. Of course you would get the usual 4 or 5, whatever. Me, I like for it to look as natural as possible. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 left out of both packs, 4. And I might be putting these in. I might be putting these in later. Now, I didn't read what the pack said. And I did get the deep twist, right? Yeah, I got the deep twist in color 1. And it says, Dalva lets you instantly change your hairstyle to express your mood and always look your best. Dalva is made with Ultima hair, made with collagen protein to complement your natural hair. It feels and styles just like human hair and is super easy to manage. Let it enhance your beauty while supporting your natural hair. Ultima features, it says time-saving pre-made loop, and then it shows that picture. Then it says collagen protein, then it shows that. And then, because that's covered, let me take that out because it's covered. Just a moment. Okay. And then it says Style Change by Flexi Rod and Roller Set, and I used my Dollar Tree Flexi Rods. I have a feeling I probably would have got different results using the longer regular Flexi Rods, but this is how the hair turned out. All I used was water. I didn't use any mousse, any product, or anything, just straight water. And this is how it turned out. Let me get closer so you can see. See? And this is how it turned out with just the regular Flexi Rods. And this is the size crochet, what you call this, a crochet tool that I used. I used the jumbo. Okay, even when I did the invisible knot in the front, I used the jumbo because I know there's different sizes. And what else do I need to tell you guys? When I get tired of this hairstyle, I'm going to use the wave formers on it and see how it looks with the wave formers. Maybe I'll do a video on that to show how it looks, because you know I get bored. I get bored, you guys. So this hair is perfect for me because I have to switch it up, or else you'll see what I did the last time, took that hair out. Okay. I really love that you can change this hair. That's really important. But I plan to use the wave formers, the tension rollers, and even the magnetic rollers. I think I might even use my perm rods because I have a bag of perm rods. And so I'm just going to try different looks with this hair. And each time I do that, I think I'll come on here and show you guys. If this hair lasts a long time, I'll let you know about how long it lasts. And as for the Zuri Go-Go Curl, that hair was beautiful. The curls stayed beautiful to the end, but it started matting in the back of my head, and I have 0 tolerance for matting, so I went ahead and cut that bad boy out. But I still have another box of that too. But I don't know. I'll see how this hair goes. I might have a favorite. I might have a favorite crochet hair going on here. And this is, I believe this is the old picture. The new pack has another woman on it, but it's still deep twist. And like I said, I got this from Amazon, and it does say the distributor is Ebony Line, so I guess they're selling on Amazon too. And I even saved a few dollars by buying it on Amazon. Okay, so let me see, is that the whole video? Let me see. And let you guys see this again when I used the flexi rods. Okay? So now you can see how the hair looks. I don't know why this is doing this. Okay. And invisible knot the front so it could look really natural. Okay. And this was only 2 packs. Alright. So you guys have a wonderful, blessed day and take care. Bye-bye.